Hello everyone, this is Hamid.
Hello everyone, this is Zahra.
And today we're going to practice another amazing conversation.
What's the conversation about?
So this conversation is about a person. This person is going just to visit his friend. Also, he wants to smoke cigarettes. Now, we can start to see what happened in this conversation. Let's go.
Let's begin.
Let's start. A man is visiting an acquaintance's home for the first time. This is really a nice apartment you have.
Thank you. I felt lucky to find it.
By the way, do you mind if I smoke?
No, I don't. Go ahead. I'll get an ashtray for you.
Now, we're going just to read the conversation one more time. This is really a nice apartment you have.
Thank you. I felt lucky to find it.
By the way, do you mind if I smoke?
No, I don't. Go ahead. I'll get an ashtray for you. Hamid, I have some question about this conversation.
Go on, please.
Would you please tell me about acquaintance?
Acquaintance means a person that you know that person. Can be your friend, but be careful that doesn't your close friend, okay? It's a person that you know that person.
And what's the meaning of go ahead?
Go ahead means go on.
How about ashtray?
So ashtray is a tray for the ash of cigarettes. One more time. Ashtray is a tray for the ash of cigarettes.
Thank you, Hamid.
Thanks to you. Thanks for watching our video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to follow us and subscribe us. We're going just to have more amazing conversations for you. I wish you luck. See you next time.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.